Hello and welcome to the site view on Asake Online. My name is Leslie Moyo. Recently, we're in the mining town of Hwange, where residents were raising concern about the escalating cases of human and wildlife conflict. The residents say that because of coming activities near the Hwange National Park, the wild animals like your elephants are now roaming and coming to their areas and also to their communities, and this obviously causes conflict between the animals and the humans. According to wildlife authorities, over 40 people have died in Zimbabwe due to human-wildlife conflict. And according to wildlife authorities, over 40 people have died in the country due to human-wildlife conflict from January. And the residents that we spoke to appealed to the government rather to ensure that they assist them with controlling measures in terms of how these animals can stay within the game reserve and not wander in their villages. They also lamented how they are losing crops every season. Every time they plant, these animals will come and destroy their crops, and this leads them to endure hunger, especially during the cropping season. Let's hear more from the residents.
It's no longer Brandon B. Mudenda from Hwange. We are gathered here at Lieja FM. So I'm going to talk about human-wildlife conflicts. The reason most of the time people have challenges with animals there, it's because there is miscommunication between human beings and animals. Mostly my animals, they take it as if in Daoyabo. When they are moving, for example, elephants, they are matriarch. They are led by old elephants. They use the same route which they use when they are searching food or water. Yet they discover that at the end of the day, houses are. So they always want to pass there. That's when there's always between human and wildlife conflict animals. But the resolutions, most of the time, our government can assist these animals by putting more dams in the bush. Because sometimes my animals are in search of water. Sometimes even my crops are. But when enough water in the bush there, these animals can stick and live in the bush.
And then there's always the issue that there seems to be government seems to want to take care of more of the animals than humans. They value the lives of the animals. And also there's the issue of population of elephants, that the elephants are now too many. Do you think maybe the population of elephants should be brought down so that at least they don't continue to injure people?
Okay, when you say government tend to favor animals, it's because animals, they don't speak sometimes. So they're trying to speak or advocate for the animals. So people should understand that my animals, they should be treated now as human beings. If someone can understand, don't do this, go this side, but in terms of animals, sometimes they might not buy the story. So what you need to do, we need to understand these animals are ours. We need to protect them. Proper teaching and education between human beings and animals. Like I said, my animals provide the right, they might listen. Now my human beings, these are animals, you need to protect them instead of what? Injuring them or poaching. Most of the time, because people, they poach, poaching sometimes is bad. But if you take care of your animals, because they assist us in many things, in terms of tourism, people come and decide to watch our animals. So somewhere, my animals provide something to even our state. The animals belong to the state, they don't belong to an individual person. The reason why sometimes these animals injure people is because of miscommunication. You need to understand the animal behavior chain. You should maintain a safe distance so that you don't cross the comfort zone. Most of the people, they are injured because they cross the comfort zone. So that animal is left with no option than to attack the person. So try by all means to avoid these animals at all costs. In that way, you might live in harmony with nature.
And also, do you feel the community near the national park is benefiting from the money that is raised through tourism?
Yeah, I think they are benefiting because there are certain projects which are done to assist, for example, the vulnerable children. There are certain organizations which are paying school fees for orphans, which are also helping the old age. They are providing many things. They're even they're drilling boreholes for those communities, even feeding the people who are living within the communities. Somehow, they are playing a good part. That's what I've understood so far.
Chini makamu izinando ishantane dove ndiriyo muno mushanguro mwa wange. Nasiyo pano inyancha da uleberekano zwayo inyaya yobukukutu watinoshangana nabo nemuka jeshango tiriyo muno mushanguro mwa wange. Tumushangane muka jeshango mu community mu bugaro mu mugara bana yeje mukayeje mukukwenda tilinga kumukweje mubuzwa nokuti banu isuti mubuda tinda kunota mamainzi mushango munkwera kuti mugare emuka jeshango so ijo nokuti jazumutikana mushango yero jimujayo muno mushango mwa wange mumugara bana imuka yeje kana tigalinga tina nama incidents manji amutikana jimuburaya banu ijoyo muno mwa wange. Igore rino kana tigalinga babiri kana batatu bashangana nejo jimuburaya abantu bamwe bamushangana nama hyenas kwa bamugara tilinga kunyika jinanga ku TJ zunji zokumutikana bamwe abachinokwanisa kuti betange kulima zobodobodo nokuti imuka yeji mudajiburaya zona zuri mwazo abo azitinokubuka abachinokwanisa kuti bebudisa zunzo banokwanisa kupatana maboka abo muzonzo banolima noti imuka yeji jimubatira zono zisinoyebeka so tebe kumbirisa kasa kuti ngana peri nozunzo bankokwanisa kuti betitire ishango rinokwera kuti tigare imuka rivero rinorondotwa zupodo vamuta mamainzi vevone kuti vanoleka kuti mamainzi kwakarekoya imuka jeshango naijo jiwane pajinogara taboka.
Email yangu zina ndinowi comfortable nani munyandi ndiriyo pano parieja FM tumuda kuti tilevereke pezhuru pokugarisana pamwempera vanhu nemuka timuwana vukukutukasa savagari vomwa wange kuti imuka jeshango achijimugarisana zubodo na vanhu tingada kuti titange tilingisise kasa izvo na vanhu azujimugarisana na vanhu zubodo zumunyanya kutisa yopa kuona kwangu ndoyakana kuti toti izhara imutisa kuti imuka eji jiswike ku vanhu zumwe akare jimwe muka jimushupa mapere amuwanika tine imwe situation yatakashangana nayo ku Centrela patinowana kuti mapere anoswika ku vanhu amukanganisa vanhu tinane situation ya mashoko nayo amukanganisa vanhu amungwina mujingomba ja vanhu amukanganisa chikafu cha vanhu chimuva iyo bukukutu wati mushangana mushango lyakawange muno imi kuvona kwangu kuti zungatikana kuti tigarisane na vanhu ndinoti maybe kuna vanolinga vanoliritira imuka jeshango vekwanisevo kutora muka jeshango jimukanganisa vanhu kujisenga kwajinokura kuveriko kuma game parks pamashoko andingava neshuwa asi ndoziva kuti vangava ne solution kumashoko yandiya nokuti mashoko amukanganisa especially mungombo tikalinga Mpumalanga kana kuti pamajei pafupi yopa noona kuti mashoko amukanganisa kasa pamapere amukanganisa futi chuma zinanga ing'ombe imbuji zumubatwa na mapere mashoko nayo amubisa mesho kumbuji kuisiya mbuji ikwenda chete pamwe inongodavura imuka inyama imukani imbuji endia ikabiswa imbiswa matumbu tumusara talashikirwa saka isuso se community se wange community timuti ngana mango vati banja kuti inyama zanaiji kana kuti muka eji jimukanganisa vanhu mango jitora kule na vanhu tavoka.
Hi, this is Tanaka. Nichataura pamusoro pema animals atinosangana nayo muno muwange tine nzou dzinouya dzichiparadza magardens evanhu. Tina vanhu vanorima muriwo vari kurarama nekutorima muriwo vari kutokwanisa kuendesa vana vavo kuchikoro. And then nzou dziya dziri kuuya dzichiparadza magardens avo. Tine vari kurimawo mabhanana vari kukwanisawo kusupplywayo kunana TM kunana OK. But vari kugurisirwa their businesses nekuda kwaizvozvo. Saka tiri kukumbirawo government kuti ipindire kana vachikwanisawo kuti vanhu ve-wildlife vauyewo vatiurayirewo nzou idzi kana kuti dziendewo kure. Tatenda.
Mini gama ngingumeluleki weza ngi-radio presenter ku-community radio station yethu lapha eLiyeja FM. Udaba oluhlupha kakhulu oluyingxabangxoza kithi lapha udaba lwe-human and wildlife conflict. So we have had ama-cases amaningi lokulahlekelwa kwempilo zabantu ngendaba yona leyo. And it seems like indaba elokhu iqhubekela phambili. But thina nje e-community radio station we are making ama-efforts ukuthi sazise njalo sifundise uZulu ngama issues to do with wildlife conflict ngokuthi singaphilisana njani lezi nyamazana. So they've raised ama-concerns amaningi la uZulu bekhuluma ngendaba naleyo kubana bona ama-cases lawo e-wildlife kalutshwana ukuthi nxa bengafaka ama-reports ukuthi nibona vele sebefikelwe izilwane emakhaya ngapha bona ama-responsible authorities ayaphuza ukuzoresponda ukuthi bezobazama ukubasiza ngohlupho abalalo. So lathi sithi nano thina lathi ngalokho esikukwanisayo through i-social media, through even umsakazo wethu, through amanye ama-platforms silawo sifundisa njalo sibazisa kakhulu uZulu ngokuthi kuyini okunye abangakwenza ukuze bekwanise ukuthi bengaphilisana kuhle lenyamazana.
But khonapho kuma-reports athathelele singanani njalo xa maybe nazama ukuthi labantu be-wildlife bona babesithi in terms of ukuphuza mhlawumbe ukuresponda xa abantu befakeke
ukuthi bona nxa besichazela bathi lawo bebheke kulokunye ama-issues maybe indawo ukuthi bekwanisa ukufinyelela kiyo ngoba kwezindawo eziyabe zingathi maybe zikhatshana njalo ubona okunye like bayangazi ukuthi maybe kuwelabo isite lapho awusize bekhulume konke phela ukuthi beziveze sobala ukuthi bona kubasindayo ukuthi bekwanisa ukuthi beresponde ngendlela okuyiyo kumele beresponde ngayo eweni. But bona kwesikhathi abakekhala ngokuthi indawo maybe ababekizwa abantu khonapho bekwanisa befinyelele ngesikhathi esifaneleyo kungakwanisa ukubathathela isikhathi eside.
Abanye abantu bathi mhlawumbe indlovu zeziningi kakhulu ezinye okumele mhlawumbe bezibulawe. But bakhona-ke abanye ama-activists ezinyamazana bathi indlovu hayi amelanga zibulawe. Yini olibona kungcono ikakhulu lina-ke abahlali belapha ehona elihlangana lohlupho lolu?
I think mina ukubulawa kwendlovu sesikhangela ngepopulation yakhona. I think mina ukuzibulala kungcono ngoba ipopulation yakhona isiba nkulu ukuthi lama-resources abekhona it becomes unsustainable ukuthi unga-cohabitate labantu. So I think the solution yokuzireduce la iyanceda. At the same time, yeah, of course we understand ama-activists lapho bona abaphuma khona ukuthi lapho inyamazana kumele zivikelele. But nxa kuyikuthi population yakhula vele I don't think there is any other way yokuthi singaluxazulula njani olula udaba lolu besides ukuyenzikweni ukuthi maybe ngesingisi i-culling of indlovu ngoba I so understand ukuthi population le isiphose ifike kumbe ukudlula even i-80,000 yendlovu. So ngendawo ke ispace esilaso lesi angazi ukuthi into yakhona singakwanisa uku-coexist yini kuhle kuhle. Of course maybe i-population yakhona nxa ikuyikuthi incane iyakwanisa ukumanejeka le nto. Kungakwanisa even lokuvulwa like ama-sanctuaries ukuthi maybe ungazimonithwa njani zinga-trackwa njani indlovu zingakwanisa ukuthi zibe zingena ebantwini.
Then kule issue nyenye abantu bakhala ngayo ikakhulu e-mining ukuthi sole ama-mines amaningi kakhulu duze lapho inyamazana ezihlala okwenza mhlawumbe egcine sezisiza ngakho labantu khona. Liyayihlangana lapho khona lokho njalo ubona ngani ngabe ngenye izinto mhlawumbe ngabe isenze ukuthi inyamazana lezi zigcine sezibiya ngapha ebantwini.
Yeah, ukuthi singachayi nje sifihle omphini. Yeah, with ama-activities ayenzakala lapha, especially with ama-investors ethu amasha abuyayo lapha, I think labo they are pushing kakhulu phakathi bengena egame osokwenza ukuthi inyamazana nazo ziswele lapho ezingaphefumulela khona. So lathi ngezinye indlela we are very much responsible for indaba nale. So if there is a way yoku-address ama-concerns ukuthi thina lathi we are encroaching into the land of ama-animals lawa, I think that way lakho kuyakwanisa ukusincedisa ukuthi silusolve udubo lolu lwe-human wildlife conflict.
You've heard for yourselves from some of the Hwange residents that we managed to speak to around human and wildlife conflict. They spoke about how these animals, while it's yes, they bring a lot of money in terms of tourism, but also on the other hand, they are destroying lives and also destroying their livelihoods. Hopefully, the authorities will take note to some of the concerns that were raised by the residents of Hwange. Let's meet again in the next edition of the Site View. My name is Leslie Moyo.